Hey guys, welcome to Sci Magic. Can we sit faster than gravity? Yes? No? Let's check. Leave the ball when I'm ready to sit.
Let's see this in slow motion. Oh, seems like there's a difference in the coordination of the ball leaving the hands and me sitting. Okay, this time I'll leave the ball myself. Let's now see this in slow motion. Oh, I still see a difference in the coordination. Okay, this time let me keep the ball on my head and then sit, so as both the things happen at the same time. The ball is not staying on my head, that's why I've cut it and made a flat surface. Now the ball is staying on my head. I think I can get a perfect shot. Let's see this in slow motion. I see 80% of the duration I can go faster than a ball. Later, the ball overtakes me when I'm nearly close to the sitting position. The red spot what you see is the center of gravity for a human body. At the start, we may go faster than a ball because we take the support of the inertia of the part of hands and legs which are below the center of gravity. By the time we finish 80% of the motion, we have a new instantaneous center of gravity which has a new velocity and is lower than the ball velocity at that instant. So, by the time we finish sitting, the ball overtakes us. But 80% of the duration, we can lower ourselves faster than the gravity. We may sit faster than gravity in a chair, but not on the ground. Hey guys, I do have a question for you. What you see is just a styrofoam pyramid shaped box. So when I leave it from a certain height, why does this box stay in air for a few seconds and then drop? You didn't see that? Let's see in slow motion. There you see the box stays in air for a few seconds and then drop. Why is it happening this way? What's inside the box? The clues are already on the internet. Comment your best answers in the below section and hit the subscribe button.